like them big. Today we're going to be doing a brown soft glam look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome friend. I love new friends. I hope you will become a subscriber. Today is day 3 of our Love and Obsession series. If you have not watched day 1 and 2, you can check them out. I will have them pinned up top. We are going to be doing a brown soft glam look. We're going to make it nice and pretty. I'm thinking like chocolate covered strawberry. I don't know. We're gonna see what we can get into, so let's go. As usual, we're gonna start off with brows. I'm using Gots to Be glue to lay them in place. I really need to wax my eyebrows. I'm probably gonna do a video on that. I'm gonna clean these brows up. I'm using the P. Louise base in Rumor number 5. I'm gonna set that with some powder first. I'm using a Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going in with burnt orange. Just in the crease. Going in with raw sienna. Directly on my lid, I'm going in with Cypress Umber. This color in my Morphe palette. Prime, Power Grip Primer. I've used a lot of primers. The only primer that I really like just as much as this is probably the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I think that's it. Or is that Tarte? I think it's Too Faced. I don't think it's Too Faced Hangover Primer. Elf is cheap. So, foundation. Concealer, contour, set this, go over the cream contour with powdered contour. With some of this excess powder. Finish up our eyes. I'm gonna add some mascara. Gonna put on a lash. And these lashes came from Shein, and I love them so much. Underneath, I'm gonna put some brown. You understand if big lashes are not your thing, but like I said, I only got big ones, so I'm sorry, honey. I like them big. Okay, for blush, I have my NARS Savage. For highlight, we're going Anglola. I cracked it. That's and you only need a little bit because she goes crazy. Okay, let's move on to the lip. I'm gonna put some cocoa butter on my lips first because I'm about to put on a matte lip stick and yeah. Okay, I'm starting off with a brown liner. I'm gonna line my lip. I like to overline my lips just a little bit. I'll go over this. Going in with Ruby Woo. I'm going over that with a red eyeshadow. And blend it out again with a brown. And we are done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please like, comment, and subscribe to me. If you think it was worth sharing, please share it. Want to follow me on any of my other socials? I am flawlesspink_ on everything. It has been another successful episode of our Love and Obsession series. If you did not watch 1 and 2, I will have it at the end of this video. And I think that's it. I will see you tomorrow. Bye. I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in.